In this video, I am going to show you how to fix lag in Honor of Kings. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, why is Honor of Kings Global so laggy? Typically, phones or devices can be used in many scenarios, like listening to music, and mobile games require so much RAM to run smoothly on devices. Honor of Kings is no exception. You might have unstable internet connection, so go ahead check that for you to stop the lag, or you have an old mobile device, or there is overloaded server. There were few servers the player could choose from when Honor of Kings had just been released, therefore many players swarmed into these servers, making these servers overloaded and causing lag. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.